Anybody with half a brain can tell you Earth is a sphere.
The Earth is a sphere.
And it rotates on its axis 365 times a year.
365 times a year.
And due to this rotation, it varies where the sun shines. It's never all at once and it's never at the same time. And this creates a problem that needed to be mended. So us humans stepped up and invented the concept of time zones. Yes, we made time zones. Those neat little blocks that divide our world into chronological slots. And we love them lots. Yeah, we love them lots.
Time zones are a pretty simple thing in concept, I'll show you how. The ideal time zone boundaries are great circles.
What are those?
Not too fast now. Imagine tracing a straight line around a sphere. You'll see that you come back to where you started. That circle's called a great one because out of all the circles you can make on a sphere, that was the largest. And one half of these sets the boundary for any time that you'll see on Earth. Each 15 degrees they're plotted down with ease, and 24 make a whole day's worth. These zones sprout from the prime meridian, which cuts straight through Greenwich, London, specifically the Royal Observatory, which is the basis that they use to tell the time you see. The 15 degree zone of which it is the center is known as Universal Coordinated Time. This is what we use as our ground zero.
But the acronym's UTC.
Their choice, not mine. The whole world decided that this system is the most practical for telling time, and thus these are how the borders stayed, and no one would stray off the line. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more songs like these, make sure to who am I kidding? Since countries have borders they like respecting, the time zone lines are rarely straight. Take China for example, which should be in 5 zones, but sticks to UTC plus 8. Then there's the international date line, which should follow the anti-meridian strip. But since there's the ocean borders, it ends up looking like a messed up paper clip. Then there's daylight savings time, which happens in some parts of the world. These places move the clocks forward in spring and move it backwards when the autumn unfurls. I didn't even mention the really wacky times that don't even stick to the hour, like India, Iran, Venezuela, Afghanistan, and Myanmar and others with power. And there's 3 places in the world that go 45 minutes past the wall. The Chatham Islands, New Zealand, Cuba, Australia, and the entire country of Nepal. As if they weren't different enough. Have you seen their flag? Remember when I said that there's 24 time zones? Well, there's actually 26. See, Kiribati being Kiribati added plus 13 and plus 14 to the list. I've said it all and now you finally get the gist of
time zones. Yes, we made time zones. Those neat little blocks that divide our world into chronological slots, and we love them lots. Time zones. Yes, we made time zones. Those neat little blocks that divide our world into chronological slots, and we love them lots. We love them lots.